You that again?
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
So Wayne, these are the tomatoes for the farm.
Yeah, man, this are for the farm. You see me, I say?
Oh my God.
You see, if you don't do them like this, you can't get them. You see me, I say?
Yes.
So you have to do them like this.
So the tomato did well, Wayne, because what we're seeing here, you already went to the market.
Yeah, man, 3 times now.
3 times you go to the market?
Times,
and like how many crates you bring when you're going to the market?
Like 4 or 5.
Oh, and it sell off.
But the price kind of low still, but you know,
but
you just back them out, back them out and walk and sell them. Just like how you have them there.
Like this?
Yeah. We just back them up and walk and sell them.
So like how much you sell this for?
Like that now, me pay like, you have to give me like, let me see, £4 in there.
Yes.
£4. Call it 4 bills back.
Oh, so me I get away this evening. Come here, I get 2 bags and me not pay for them.
No,
thank you, Wayne.
You're good like that, man. You say you put me on track in or something. You're good like that, man.
Yeah, man.
You're good like that, man.
Yes, and we have to mention the fact that the farm still have a lot of tomatoes.
Yeah, same way. Same way. Come if you pick this evening.
Yes.
So roughly, me find like, yesterday, me pick 5 buckets.
Yeah, 5 of the water buckets.
Yeah, yesterday evening. Just pick out return one of them.
Yes.
So me have the green one them now, me have a pick.
Okay. And also to Wayne, the fact that we would have done the video and a lot of persons reached out just to give advice as to what to use. So many persons.
And give thanks to it, because it's like, me kind of worried, me never know if I do one, me buy spray and me I do this and me I do that, and it look like it now work, and you see what I say?
Yes.
You see it? And you see for your forward, different thing.
Yes.
You see me?
Yeah, man, so big up the people, man, tell them thanks.
Yeah, man, big up every time, man, big up everybody, man. Big up all the foreign man, they will call me name, Wayne and thing, you see me?
Yeah,
so
man.
you, them now follow me, you see what I say? You see if they follow me, then can't run, you see it? You understand? But me a back pan the chat, as me tell you. Back pan the chat. Lose half my Irish, but me a run through Irish, it's on tomatoes here, come back pan the chat. You see what I say? Respect our man same way. You see what I say?
Yes.
Guidance, you see it?
Yes.
You want to go for the nurse, you go deal with the nurse the same way, because I'm back on the check again. You see what I say?
Yes, man. Thank you, guys. We appreciate the amount of calls.
Because them tanning now, so them pretty and stay now. Gold them, you know.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yeah, man. Gold them. Yeah, you see me?
Yes.
You know, say 2 times, me say, last week, you make sure them back me up on Mandeville last week. And the man them say, yo, where you there, so I do? I say, yo, I juggle 2 bags of tomato, you know. The man say, yo, up a market if you go, you know. You see me? I'm just turn up back up a market.
Yes.
Friday again, I book up in them again. One different set. Man them say, yo, and I don't say, if you selling them up a market if you go.
Oh my God.
You don't give them no chat, me just go up a market.
Yes.
Indian now, me say Indian bad. And he back me up Saturday. And he must say, what go on, man? Where you there, so I do? I say, yo, I juggle 2 tomatoes, brother. You know, say, yard pan me, rough pan me. You see, me a young baby pan bed, you know. It's a young baby pan market, brother. Go up market. Me just walk off and circle, man, just grow one chuck and gone back out of mothers and them places. Because them places, me say,
yes.
Me go Hospital Road. Me go run Shields. Me run if you go to the stoplight there, so where they make cake.
Okay.
Yeah, me walk with you, I have a knock shop all bag full of tomato.
Yes, see?
Tie them out in a pound.
Yes, it's Mega Mart you're referring to?
Yeah, out of Mega Mart. So me there. All of them places. Wow.
That's a lot of walking way.
Up a Mandeville town. That's why even me not going to know it today, because I'm tired.
Yes. But
it.
Friday you're back at it again.
Yeah, man, back at it.
Oh my God.
Back at it.
God. And you have to remember if you stay up a market, man.
Yeah, man, but me can't tell you. Can't know up a market. If you turn up a market, that day I live.
Yes.
You have to push out.
Oh, because the people are not coming into the market and just
they come in the market, but it's like too much tomato in the market and thing like this. So me do like this now, me do like this and tie them.
Yes.
Do like this. Like this.
Yes.
This is 1 pound, you know.
Okay.
1 pound of tomato, this So if me put like 4 or 5 in there, 2.5.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I know the weight of them.
Right.
Because I a scale man. You see? But anyway, if you want to coverage inside and we have scale, we just weigh them out.
Okay.
3. Alright. You see like them 2 big ones, you know? Me try to put it like this. Take out back this and put it like this at 1 pound.
Okay.
You see what I say?
Yes.
But if you put 2 of them in there, it will be 1.5 pounds.
Oh.
Because this is 1.5 pounds, you know?
Oh wow. You
Yeah,
don't
man, a
need
pound and a half
to
this man.
You don't need a scale.
I tell you, say a pound and a half. We can bet you and win you if we go upstairs.
Me not bet you.
Pound and a half this. How you talk about, man? A pound and a half, man.
Yeah, me could have put it to the test and said, wait, let me see, but me know you know what to do.
Yeah, man, me I tell you that. Alright, this, alright. You see that one there? And this, a 1 pound.
Oh.
This, a 1 pound. The size of this?
Yes.
And this, 1 pound.
Okay.
This, a 1 pound of tomato.
Alright.
You see me? This a 1 pound. Yeah? You know one nothing funny.
Yeah.
1 pound of tomatoes.
Alright, Wayne, put it in the bag. We are going to wait.
Yeah, see that?
And see for 1 pound.
Alright. Alright, if I 1 pound, I take it.
Oh, are you saying confident, guys? So you sure say 1 pound?
1 pound, go where your passion.
Alright.
1 pound of tomato.
Yeah, wait when we are go
up. I mean, I'll go up there. Go and go here.
Go here and come back?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, here goes, guys. I 1 pound for true. It's 1 pound for true. Yes, it reached 1 pound. You need a little tubes to reach a pound, right? Yeah.
A shade, just a shade.
Just a shade. But the needle moving, maybe the tomato moving. Hold on.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, this. Let me see if it balance. In a balance.
Oh, no.
Yes, a 1 pound.
1 pound.
1 pound.
Oh, 1 pound of tomato.
Oh my God! Look at that, guys.
A scale, me
So when, yeah, man.
1 pound.
So we know the thing. So guys, support him wherever you see him, because you know saying knowing thing. So if you say a 1 pound, it's 1 pound.
Yeah?
Me I tell you, a 1 pound. A 1 pound. So you know, see guys, me carry it back as you say, if you know, we are 1 pound if you take it, but a 1 pound, so me carry it back as you win the bet. Oh my gosh.
You see with me, you know scale, you understand?
Yes. Yes.
You know scale, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So
you pick some now if you carry, go back, go to the market. Oh, you're going to store them in the store?
Yeah, I'm going to store them here.
Yes.
Because through the time dry, it kind of give me a little downfall on it, because through the time them dry, you see?
Yeah.
But nothing wrong with them, and just through the time dry, it treat them kind of look like them are fade.
Yeah, the dry time affects a lot of farmers.
Because through the water system, kind of give me a beating, but me have whole heap on them saying. You see what I say?
Yes.
A whole heap under them.
So we kind of talk to us about, because when we talk about the white flies and so on, and persons called and gave you the advice. Tell us, give us an idea of what are some of the advice that you would have used.
Right now, advice help me bad. Bad the advice help me. You see it? So I have to just stood up to it because it help me a lot. Bingo! You see me?
So you use the same thing, or you change them? Which one you use?
No,
tell us.
Like you said, I must use the one day. Like me use this one today. Use the next one when I spray again. Okay. You don't use the whole of them at the same time.
Okay.
You understand? Me just use them back on another.
So did you try the Capri?
No, I don't try the Capri as yet.
You try the washing soap and the vinegar?
Yes.
Okay.
I try the baking soda.
The baking soda, yes. And it worked.
And it worked with the dietine.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Alright guys, you hear that. So thank you so much.
Yeah man, so I respect a lot fight man, because they did give me a big fight. You see what
I right.
You understand?
Yes.
So like all this now, if I get rainy we spring back.
Right.
But through the dirt dry, it kind of give me a fight. You understand? Because the time dry.
Yes.
You see it?
Okay.
And no the root see you there.
Right, the root good and everything.
Yes, the root
just
good.
Some water.
Yeah, there's some water in one on it.
Okay.
Because if you look, you see it a spring. Like here, so but through it dry. It not give me no.
Yes.
Not give me no good fight. You see?
But you
right. See this now. See this a spring.
Oh, okay.
You see me? See this a spring from my root as well.
Yes.
See it a spring back. So if me get rain, the whole light spring up back.
Right.
So me I get a fresh vine. See that? See them a spring there. You see me? You understand?
Okay.
So if me get rain pan they will spring up back.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I treat them young same way. Treat them young, I just throw them it dry.
Yes.
And I pick off a lot of fight already.
Okay.
You see it?
Yes.
Because Monday gonna me pick 10 bucks.
Oh wow.
And yesterday. Me pick 5 bucket. I turn one. Same way, and see me I pick again.
Yeah, and just looking at the farm, it just look like you do nothing over here and start picking because it's so plentiful.
Because right now, as me tell you, right now me can find 2 boxes.
Okay.
Green one.
Yeah.
Me just run through it, pick off the fitter one them.
Right.
Because they're not fitting.
Yes.
You see, yesterday when me come through, so, all them I never stay so.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Call you last night. When me come so. They never, because me run through it, and they still have one turn one.
Okay.
You see it?
So what's good about this doorway is the fact that you're reaping the tomatoes, you're not sitting on and waiting for persons to come to you. You actually take it to the market.
Yeah, I take it to the market myself because I have really.
Yeah, because if you do that, they would spoil, and if you don't, if you don't bring them to the market.
So bring them to the market myself.
Yes.
So like all this now, you kind of have a little fungus on it. So they spoil.
Oh,
so you know, try to make this go in height.
Yeah. What you do with that
You try throw it over the root and make it on the ripe and sow it back.
Okay.
Yeah, so you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hi.
Yeah, man. Because see all this, you see that spring? You see fresh spring in there? You see? So all I have to do is come through and take off the bush off of them. You see it? And make it get space.
Yeah.
Because see that spring back fresh. If you look, you see Eliza roots here, you know. Eliza that, you know.
Okay.
I just really want, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, Eliza that, man. Eliza that I root. All of them. See them? Eliza. See, I just really want to take a high power fertilizer. I just really want to spring them out back. Because if you look on this, see a spring as well.
Oh.
You see me?
Yes.
See there? See them a spring back as well. You see it? All of them are going to spring back.
So I pray we get some rain.
Yeah, so if we get some rain, they'll spring back.
Yeah.
You see me?
But you would have lost the top.
Yes!
When you would have lost the Irish potato?
Yeah, man, I lose it, man.
How much did it plant?
I lose it. You know, say a 6 bag me plant.
Oh my God.
6 bag me plant and 7,500 a bag.
Oh my God. So
plus $4,000 a day if you man work money.
Oh my God.
You see me, so? You understand me? I have a little losses there, so. You know, but I worry myself still, because as I tell you, say, last year, them be a big. So
because you have been pulling them up and you don't see anything on them.
Just a little. Just a little seed. Just a little seed like if I seed like this.
Yeah.
Because Sunday I go over there go jar some peas. And I cut it and so them small like this.
Because it's supposed to be ready by now. Because it's 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months. 3 months.
No.
We depend 3 months now.
Yeah.
We depend 3 months now, but we can't do no better.
Yeah.
Can't do just stay like that. So you have to do it, you understand?
Yeah.
So the more you do it, the more, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you forward punch. You see what I say?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you some of the things there. Stop the nursery there we have over there, so.
Oh.
Yeah, come here for next nursery.
Okay.
Enough depend them picking about through because me just run through. You see them pick your son, I see. Alright, them here now. You see them here now? Them here, they're young, you know?
Yes, sir.
They're young.
Them are tomatoes.
And look on the type of tomato. You see them?
Oh my gosh.
You see them? Them are variety of
Some
tomato.
are Irish potatoes.
You see? Because if you never dry, they would have put it blossom them with a more. You know?
Yes.
They would have more. You would have more. Shoot out.
Yeah.
Can't hold it upon them to pick. Hold it upon them. Hold it.
Okay.
Hold it upon them. You see? Hold it.
Wow.
Hold it upon them.
Okay, so that's the nursery way.
Yeah, man. So I set the next nursery, yes or no?
Oh.
Set the next nursery, yes or no? So see them germinate there now. You see it?
Yes.
They germinate a lot.
So they're ready for
but
transplanting?
true because me make the trash pan tan pan it too long. So the root them kind of long.
Okay, okay.
Is it?
Yeah, we can see them coming out.
Yeah, man, them kind of long.
Okay. Right.
And it look like right most a Guinean here too.
Are you serious?
Because them like them crutch.
Oh.
Them a crutch. Because if first, out there should have hatch up already, you know. Like out there, you know. But me did cover yourself with them bag, with the bag them. And when I come and I lift up it, I say no seed pan it.
Yes.
One pumpkin seed this, one pumpkin sucker this.
Oh.
One pumpkin sucker this.
Okay.
But so I see them, I jar them out because I can't make them stay in there.
Oh, so you plant them somewhere else?
That's them way, man. And then they're not going to grow.
Okay.
Time dry.
Yeah.
And they look a good pumpkin seed too.
Yeah.
But if I melon, I don't shoot. I can't see them place. Pumpkin. They take up the whole place.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
Very nice, man.
Yeah, man. Beautiful.
Yeah, very nice, man.
Alright, so guys, this is where we end the video for today. And we thank you so much for all your calls, all the advice that you offered.
Oh, you hide me, sir. Me 1 second there.
Yes, yes, guys.
Yes, man. Big up yourself, see you, man. You see it? And big up Tia, AK. You see it? We love a girl, yeah? Alright, watch him look. Yeah, man.
She's hiding and looking.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So things set. You see me, I said?
Alright.
You can't top try, as me tell you. Can't top try.
Okay,
alright. Still go on, you see?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, yeah, still go on. You see it there? Because that's how it is. You understand?
Yes, alright. So, alright, guys, until next time, blessed love, stay safe. Bye bye.
Yeah, me again, man. Yeah, man.